Welcome to our quiz on managing diabetes effectively. In this quiz, we'll explore important information that every diabetic should know to maintain their health. From recognizing symptoms to understanding diet and exercise, each question will help reinforce your knowledge and guide you toward better diabetes management. Quiz questions and explanations. 1. Which of the following is a common symptom of high blood sugar? A. Increased thirst. B. Dry skin. C. Frequent headaches. Answer A. Increased thirst. Explanation. Increased thirst is a common symptom of high blood sugar because the body tries to eliminate excess glucose through urine, leading to dehydration and increased thirst. 2. What is the primary purpose of insulin in the body? A. To help the body digest food. B. To regulate blood sugar levels. C. To strengthen bones. Answer B. To regulate blood sugar levels. Explanation. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels by helping cells absorb glucose for energy or storage. 3. Which type of diabetes is most commonly diagnosed in adults? A. Type 1 diabetes. B. Type 2 diabetes. C. Gestational diabetes. Answer B. Type 2 diabetes. Explanation. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form of diabetes diagnosed in adults and is often associated with lifestyle factors such as diet and exercise. 4. Which food should diabetics limit to manage blood sugar levels? A. Whole grains. B. Sugary snacks. C. Leafy greens. Answer B. Sugary snacks. Explanation. Sugary snacks should be limited because they can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, making diabetes management more difficult. 5. What is the recommended physical activity for diabetics per week? A. 30 minutes per week. B. 150 minutes per week. C. 300 minutes per week. Answer B. 150 minutes per week. Explanation. The American Diabetes Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity per week for diabetics to help manage blood sugar levels and overall health. 6. Which of these is a potential complication of unmanaged diabetes? A. Improved vision. B. Nerve damage. C. Increased energy. Answer B. Nerve damage. Explanation. Nerve damage or neuropathy is a common complication of unmanaged diabetes due to prolonged high blood sugar levels affecting the nervous system. 7. What should you do if you experience symptoms of hypoglycemia, low blood sugar? A. Exercise immediately. B. Consume a fast-acting carbohydrate. C. Drink water. Answer B. Consume a fast-acting carbohydrate. Explanation. Consuming a fast-acting carbohydrate, such as glucose tablets or fruit juice, helps quickly raise blood sugar levels to normal. 8. Which of the following is an important aspect of a diabetic diet? A. High in saturated fats. B. Rich in fiber. C. Low in protein. Answer B. Rich in fiber. Explanation: a diet rich in fiber helps manage blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of sugar and improving digestion. 9. How often should diabetics monitor their blood sugar levels? A. Once a month. B. Several times a day. C. Once a year. Answer B. Several times a day. Explanation: diabetics should monitor their blood sugar levels several times a day to ensure they remain within the target range and to adjust their diet, medication, or activity levels as needed. 10. What is the HbA1c test used for? A. Measuring daily blood sugar levels. B. Diagnosing diabetes complications. C. Assessing average blood sugar levels over the past 2 to 3 months. Answer C. Assessing average blood sugar levels over the past 2 to 3 months. Explanation: the HbA1c test measures average blood sugar levels over the past 2 to 3 months, helping to assess long-term glucose control. Thank you for taking our quiz on managing diabetes effectively. We hope you found these questions informative and helpful in understanding how to better manage your condition. Remember, staying informed and proactive is key to living a healthy life with diabetes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and quizzes. Stay healthy and take care.